Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign off on TikTok, so make sure you follow my steps in the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the TikTok app and already opened it, and now you'll be able to see the dashboard on in the screen where you can see login button at top right corner. Just click over there and now you will be able to see the section where you can see sign up option at bottom of this login section. Just click on it and you'll be redirected to the sign up section where you can see three options. First one is use phone or email, and other is continue with Facebook, and the last one is Google. You can choose any of them and complete your formalities. Once you verify yourself, you'll be able to sign up on TikTok successfully. So basically this is how you can sign up on TikTok, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, click leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.